To change language in the Google Pixel 9, we're first from our home screen going to swipe up, and then we're going to look for the cog icon, which is the settings, and we'll open this one up. Then we're going to scroll all the way down, and near the bottom we should see this eye icon, and we're going to tap on that one. This is the system option. Then at the top we have the Mandarin and then the A, so we'll tap on that, which is the languages, and then we'll tap on the top option, which is the system languages. We will then tap the plus. You're then going to choose the second language, so I'll just choose this one, and then where the two lines are, drag and drop the second language to be first, tap the option at the right, and then it's going to change the language. So if I drag and drop again, we can then change the language back. And if you tap the triple dots, that will let you delete one of the old languages if you want to as well.